Alright guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you on how to use this new CapCut feature to create a video to post. If you are new to content creation or already a content creator and you are looking for a video to post, to create a video, this CapCut will help you to create a video from bottom to the top, from writing the script and turning the script into a video. As you can see, this is a new CapCut. This CapCut is not available in Play Store, it's not available in apps, it's just available in the website. I've dropped the link to this app, to this site, in my description. Go to my description, you see the link to this app. So you're going to use this new CapCut to create a new video. Let's dive into today's tutorial. So what are you going to do here? As you open it up, you can see here new video. This one is clips to video, this one is script to video, this one is long video to short, this one is one click video creator. So what you are going to do is to click on script to video. So you click on it, then you allow it to open, Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. In case if you are new to my channel, subscribe to my channel. I promise to be dropping every new discovery I have done about content creation. Using this one will make your content creation journey very much easier for you. Let's allow it to load. Alright, here we are. It have finally loaded up. So what are you going to do? If you have a script already, if you have generated a script from AI, or you have a script that you want to generate as a video, you can go ahead and press and copy and paste the script here. But in case if you want to generate a script, you want AI to generate a script for you, click on this pencil sign, this use AI writer, click on it, then it will come out here. It will ask you customize. You see customize movies and TV, games, motivational stories, commercials, relationship, cooking tutorials, tech information. These are in case if you want to do anything on movie, if you want to do anything on games, if you want to write on motivational stories, if you want to write on commercials, if you want to write on a relationship, if you want to write on cooking, and this one is for tech. So you will leave it as customized. You leave it as customized. So what are you going to do? You're going to give it a prompt to generate a content for us. Okay, for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to write on finance. So I'm going to give it a prompt to generate a content for me. So what are you going to write? Write a vlog script on how to make, okay, let me say, on site to make money. Okay, look at the prompt I gave it here. For the sake of this video, I just want to make this video very short and educating. Write a vlog script on sites to make money. Okay, by just completing a task, or should I be specific here? Let me say 10 sites to make money. Write a vlog script on 10 sites to make money by just completing a task. Okay, you click on continue. The script is being generated. Is generating the script for us. We allow it to load. Please In case if you have not subscribed to our channel, please do well to subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Alright, you can see the script here. It has generated the script. Hey dear friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be diving into the world of 10 websites where you can make money by simply completing tasks. Let's get started. You can see it has generated the 10 sites. This is a script for our video. It have done a marvelous work here. So what are we going to do? This place, you can see if you want to customize it. This one is for TikTok. 9:16 is for TikTok, YouTube and Instagram. 16:9 for YouTube and Facebook, while 1:1 is Instagram, LinkedIn and Facebook. So we are going to click on 16:9 because we are posting mostly on YouTube and Facebook. So you click on 16:9 in case if you want to post on Facebook and YouTube, and you can change the voice, choose the voice that you want to to record this thing for you. If you want a male, American male, you can choose it here. Let's listen to the voice and see how it looks like.
Hey there, friends. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world.
Okay, let's use British man.
Hey there, friends. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world.
I want to use a male voice.
Hey there, friends. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of 10 websites where you can make money by simply completing tasks. Let's get started.
Confident male.
Hey there friends, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of 10 websites where you can make money by simply completing tasks. Let's get started. 1. Swagbucks.
Of this confident male. Let me make use of a confident male. Then you hit on generate. Okay, here you can see smart generation and custom generation. So you leave it at smart generation. So you click on generate. Our video is being generating. Have it in mind that you can still do this with your phone and with your system. In case if you don't have any system, you can use your smartphone to do this as well. Just go to the description, get the link, click on the link, and it will bring you to this site where you will do it without wasting time. There is no need getting videos from this AI generate this video, AI generate this one, generate this short video. Now you merge them together. This CapCut will help you to do those work. You can generate up to how many videos you want to generate in a day. Just get your prompts clean, get your prompts very well.
Hey there friends,
okay,
welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of 10 websites where you can make money by simply completing tasks. Let's get started. 1. Swagbucks. Earn points by watching videos, searching the web, and shopping online. Redeem your points to get cash. 2. Survey Junkie.
What are we going to do here? We are not going to export the video direct. Rather, we click on edit video. You click on edit video, and it will now take you to CapCut where you can edit the video. Let's allow it to load. It's now take us to CapCut editor. Alright, you can see it has opened up. So we're going to edit this text. We're going to edit the writer. So what we're going to do is you click on the text, choose the styles and the template you want. Choose the style and the template you want. Just go ahead and do a very nice edit. Make your video look professional. Let your video look so professional. Okay, we're going to choose this template. Okay, let me not waste much of our time here. Let me just go ahead and export the video. Let me just go ahead and export the video like that. my own good time, I'll create a nice video. So you go ahead and click on the export. After you have done your editing, after you have done all your editing, just calm yourself down, do the editing very well, edit the video very well. For the sake of the audio that was generated by AI, please, I advise that you should not make use of it. What you're going to do, just go to that audio and mute it. Just mute the audio. You can go ahead and add your own audio. Go ahead and add or click on audio and you add up a new audio. If you have your own sound, you can add it up as well. They are using the one generated by AI. Alright, just go ahead. After clicking on export, go ahead and click on download. You click on download. Okay, you can change the information, you can change the name. As you can see, our video have started downloading. So this is just how to do it. Once it's done downloading, I will play the video on my system without using the website to play it. There you can see how the video is. Alright, as you can see, our video have downloaded. So let me play it to see how it is like. Let me play it.
Friends, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of 10 websites where you can make money by simply completing tasks. Let's get started. 1. Swag bucks. Earn points by watching videos, searching the web, and shopping online. Redeem your points for gift cards or cash. 2. Survey junkie. Participate in surveys and get paid via PayPal. 3. PSOs. Join a focus group and earn money for your opinions. 4. Inbox dollars. Earn $5 just for signing up and completing tasks like watching videos and taking surveys. 5. Prolific. Take surveys and research studies for payment via PayPal or Amazon gift cards. 6. Fiverr. Offer your services starting at $5 a gig with options like graphic design, video editing, and more. 7. User testing. Test websites and apps for cash via PayPal or Amazon gift cards. 8. Slice. Scan your receipts for cash through PayPal or check within 10 days of each month's end date. 9. Top cashback. Get paid for shopping at over 5,000 retailers with up to 40% cashback. 10. Task Rabbit. Complete tasks like...
Alright, this is the outcome of our video. This is the outcome of our video. Thank you for watching. Congratulations to your journey of content creation. Just go ahead and do the same process and you get the same result, even better results. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you have not done that. See you next time.